Hi, Steve Johnson, General Manager for Kwick, and I'd like to talk to you today a little bit about the oil filters that are on your Kwick mower and really on any mower or piece of equipment that you've got. There's a couple different types. There's a standard type filter that we're all used to seeing, and some of the newer machines we make and some of them that you have may have this canister style. In these, the housing is reusable. The filter head, of course, is installed in the system. The housing is reusable. You simply spin this off, and inside you'll find a canister, and this is the part that you would replace. When you put it back together with the fresh element, same deal. You just tighten this down to the recommended settings. Usually, it's take things to right about tight, and then give them another quarter to a half turn, and as long as you're not leaking, you're good to go, and we'll be able to get it apart when it comes time to service the machine again. But there's a lot to filters, no matter which type they are. And one of the important things, of course, is the micron rating of the filter, and that defines how small of a particle that the filter will trap, not let pass through. That's very critical to the life and success of your hydraulic system, and you want to follow whatever your OEM recommends for that. And you don't want to exceed it, and you don't want to be less than it. You want to use what they suggest that you use. But the other important part to a filter is its pressure rating. Your hydraulic system operates at a given pressure, and you want to make sure that you use a filter that meets the OE's requirement. Buying a non-OE replacement filter can give you one that has the right micron rating but not the right pressure rating, and under use it can rupture, or it can even be in a sense spit right off the machine, and when that happens, then we have really hot hydraulic fluid that's shooting everywhere, and that's not a good thing for anybody. So I strongly recommend that you use your OE recommended filters. If you do use a replacement filter, you want to make very sure that it meets all the OE's requirements. And if you do that, you'll get good use out of your machine and won't have any major incidents. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate. Give us a call at 800-248-5945. Or you can reach us on the web at www.cutkwick.com. Thanks. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.